Hey everybody, I want to show you an upgrade I made to my van that took some pain points away. Something's been bothering me for a while. You might remember about a month or two ago, I did an upgrade to my van. I put this partition in from Smartvan. It's a great company. They make the racking system of my van. And I also put in the side shelf. So if you saw that video, you saw me kind of put in the shelving system, which took all of these things off the center aisle of my van and put them right here so I can just pull them off without getting into my van. And then I obviously installed the partition wall, which has shelves inside the van, and then the partition itself. Well, the partition itself is just this kind of insulated material. Behind it is a structural grid of metal and shelves, and it's all crash tested. It's awesome. But even with the new partition, my old partition went way back. Like, you could recline these chairs immensely. It was horrible. Nobody drives like that. It's not a camper, so it was wasted space. So I wasn't able to get an 8-foot sheet of plywood in my van, which was stupid. So now with the new Smartvan, I can get some 8-foot sheets in, but that's it. I can't get 10, 12-foot boards or whatever. I've got to put them up on the roof. And look, if you do this all the time, you know that's a pain in the neck. If you're just picking up 1 or 2 boards, you don't want to lash it down. I got to pull out a 4-foot ladder. I got to get up there. I got to lash it down. It stinks. So I thought, what could I do? Well, Dan, project manager, lead carpenter on our team, said, why don't you cut a pass-through? So what I did was basically move my boxes here. I basically created this pass-through. Let me take this out of the way so you can see it. And I did a cutout, and that pass-through allows me to put my 8 feet plus another 3 feet. And then these two things are just cleats that hold these boxes. They're just my L boxes. They're not L boxes, sustainers. And you know, I keep my I keep my wallet, my glasses, my charging cords, notepad, stuff like that. It's kind of like a glove box for me. And underneath that, in the blue box, is a raincoat, hats, gloves, change of shirts, stuff like that. And then this is the Diamondback grab-all bag, or whatever they call it. And that's where my coffee goes, because the Ram cup holders are horrible. They're too low, and you're going to get yourself into an accident if you use them. So anyway, that's what I did. I did just go on Amazon today, and I ordered these drop-in cup holders, you see, for like RVs. And I'm thinking I will basically drill in 2 cup holders right here, and hopefully they don't go down too far, or maybe I can pop them out if I need to, so that, you know, if I am stacking wood in there, you know, the cup holders won't be in the way. By the way, this is about, I think this is 12, 14 inches high. It's about 12 and a half wide, so I can get a 1x12 in there. And I could probably get about 8 or 10 boards in there before I got to go to the roof. So it just gives me some options. I thought I'd share that with you. I'm always trying to make my van efficient and eliminate steps and save time. So if I don't have to pull out a 4-foot ladder, pull out my ratchet straps, jump up on the roof, and I could just slide this in the van and go, I probably shaved 15 minutes off my visit to the lumberyard, and that could be huge. So anyway, time is money, and time matters. So I hope this helps. Kind of a cool tip, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.